Good evening, all. Okay, what if A could generate a completely new story based on your editions? In this video, we are going to build a AI interactive storytelling system using ChatGPT and Python. Every choice you make changes the story dynamically. And the best part, this project is beginner friendly and super fun to build. Before jumping into the code, let's first see the final application in action. Start a fantasy adventure. Now our code is working. It's returning responses. You find yourself standing at the edge of the whispering forest, a place of ancient magic, untold secrets. Legend says that deep with the forest lies to the crystal of eternity. It's giving something in the adventurous way. So then I am typing. I'm going to type. I enter the dark forest. Enter the dark forest. See, you step completely the dark forest because first adventure is concerned, fantasy adventure we given. So the stories with the dark forest and all. So it continue with the canopy above swallowing most of the daylight and casting the shadows all around. There is thick with the because we enter the dark forest. So that is the important part is we have to see the continuation of it. Then I am going to oh type again. I fight the dragon. See here again the response is it's about the adventurous forest. The air grows warmer and tighten the smoke and all, and the dragon or sea. This is continue with the dragon because we given the I fight the dragon with our story. Dragon continue with the dragon, shaking the ground beneath your feet and prepares to attack. You ready your weapon, outbounding and knowing this battle will test your courage and skill. See, and the sub choice also is given what how to move in the next round. Okay. As you can see, ChatGPT dynamically continues the story based on the user's action. The uh, actually, yeah. Let's see the project overview, like kind of architecture. The user given the input, the user gives the story action. The Python program get it as input and pass it to the open API. A ChatGPT generates the next part of the story dynamically and sends the response back to our application. This is the total flow of this project. Okay. Okay. Let's go to the code part and we will walk through the code. Yeah. It is importing the OpenAI. We first import the OpenAI library so Python can communicate with the ChatGPT. Next one is you can see the client OpenAI. Here we create the OpenAI client. The API key is already configured through environment variables. We get the API key and already we configured the environment variables. Here we create the OpenAI client. And next part is just showing the heading. And the next part is the important part which is about the uh, what prompting. Yeah. I already gave you are the creative AI storyteller, generator, interactive adventure story. Keep the story engaging and ask the user what they want to do next. This is the initial prompt given to the ChatGPT. We are instructing the AI to behave like a creative storyteller, and the end action should be what they want to do next. they keep the story engaging and ask the user what they want to do next. Okay, and the next part is the while true, you can able to see here. This loop keeps the storytelling system running continuously based on the user input. User input equal to input u we are given, right? The user enters the next action for the story wherever they seeing the u comes on, right? The user enters the next action for the story. For example, open the door, explore the cave, fight the robot, anything. And next we can see the if condition where user input if you are going to exit, quit, stop and come out of the loop. This allows the user to safely exit the storytelling system. Let's I am typing here exit. Okay, the see it will comes out of the session. Okay, so we safely exit the storytelling action. Okay, so storytelling system. And then the context. Very important part is the context because it is the memory part. We store the user's choice in memory so the AI can maintain story continuity. This is the response part. This is the most important part of the project. The Python is the story context to the story context to ChatGPT through the uh, API. Open API actually. This is the very important part of this code where we are connecting with the OpenAI API. And the model what we use is GPT 4.1 mini. Here the specific which AI model should generate the story. If we have to specify the which AI model should generate the story. And next part is you can able to see temperature 0.9. Uh, Higher temperature values make the AI more creative and unpredictable. Okay, so temperature is 0.9 we given, and here control the tokens also. We extract the AI generated story. See here, we extracted the AI generated story here, story from the API response. So this is the generated story in the terminal. This is the generated story in the terminal. We also save the AI response into the memory, so future prompts remain connected to the ongoing story. So we already stored the in the memory. Okay, so this the future prompts remain connected to the ongoing story, so it have the connectivity of the story. Let's say in the demo we can try something like I meet an alien king, something we'll try it out here. I meet an alien king. See, it you find yourself standing on the edge of the vast shimmering lake under the twin moon sky. Traveler from afar, he says, if you have the courage to cross into my realm. See it how it is connecting that, and it is giving the storyline. Okay, let's try another one. I am going to give to a robot attack New York. Yeah, suddenly find yourself back on the earth, but the peaceful cityscape of New York is shattered by the blare of alarms and the roar of engines. Towering robots with gleaming metal limbs storm through the streets. How it is connecting the story between the first I meet alien king prompt and the robot attack in New York. These are our user actions. How it connecting the previous prompt and this one. Okay, you can this is where the project becomes really fun because the AI generates unexpected story paths dynamically. It's very interesting. You can extend this project further by adding voice narration, AI image generation, character memory, LangChain integration, multi-agent storytelling, game engine integration. Okay, I'm excited. Come back. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. The source code is in the blog which is written in the tiltam.in website, and tiltam.in website link will be given in the description, and in the code also available in that one. For more practical AI projects, follow tiltam.in website and the Something Talk One YouTube channel. Thank you, everybody.